One of the greatest realizations that actually made me love the Lord more is when I realized how much He loves me. There are still a lot of Christians who are actually thinking the wrong way when they realize all the terrible things they have done before the Lord. They tend to think, oh, I have done lots of terrible things before God, so He must be hating me right now, or His love was lessened. But friends, may we remind ourselves with what Romans 5 verse 8 tells us. It says, but God commended His love toward us, in that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. So when we are in a state where we are not lovable at all, Christ have already shown how much He loves us by actually dying at the cross for us. Because He doesn't desire for us to perish, but us to be with Him for eternity. And so what made us think that there's something we can do that can make Him love us less or more? But we should also understand, friends, that the love of the Lord is never meant to be taken for granted. His love is supposed to make us love Him more and not to love sin more. God bless.